Hello, beautiful people. I'm super excited today. I just don't know how to express my joy. This is going to be my very first unboxing on this channel. I was there and I got a message. Like, I'll show the message to you. And oh my god. So that this is mine. It has my name on it. And I'm like, hey, my name on it. So actually I thought she was selling it to. So I was asking her that how much she said it is a gift. Hey, it was your
Siano kie mese for address bra na me ma dispatch ni anasa ope so abefa me fie mate.
I'm super happy. This has just been delivered to me. Please forgive me, okay? I'm just super excited. Oh God, oh God. After 7 minutes, hey, I didn't more. It's so heavy. Wow. Charlie, can you see? It's a modro. Hey, a modro, Papa. Oh my God. Camera is not doing justice to my thing. A modro. Hey, I never knew that this was supposed to be heavy like that. A modro. Oh my God. 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 This is such an unexpected gift. Hey! Wow! Just look at this. Just look at this. It's so heavy. So I am coming to call her right now because I actually don't know. Her sister is a very Ariza. Her sister Susie is a very good friend of mine, like my mom, school mom. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Look at that. See, you're not coming to cook. You're going to cook on this channel. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Ariza. I'm coming to call her to get the details. Hey, wow. Hey, expect dishes. So dishes. I'm just over the moon. You'll be there, and then somebody will just be thinking about you like this. Somebody will be thinking about you to bless you. I've always been looking for, you see, Charlie, if you are doing YouTube, presentation is key. So this is really this means a lot to me. This means so much to me. This means so much. It is actually, wow, it's a cast iron cookware. Wow. I'm coming to read all the instructions and everything and make sure that I take good care of this. I'm so happy. Honestly, I'm so happy. Sister Risa, God bless you. I'm coming to call you to get like exactly how I'm getting this. Why? Rather me that say why? Me that say like this gift is well thought of. It's so thoughtful. Guys, see? Thank you.
A few moments later.
So I just called Sister Riza. I got a confirmation that this is a gift from her herself. I got to know Sister Riza through her sister Susie. So I was confused. I was thinking that is it Sister Susie who gave it to Sister Riza? But Sister Riza got me this herself. Sister Riza, I mean, sure why? Like this literally brought me to tears. It's so unexpected. I just called her to ask her, say, sister, the uton chains yana, so that I will advertise it at least. But no, she's not selling anything. And I was asking her that, what have I done to deserve this? Like, what have I done? And then she said, maybe it's on your prayer list and God has answered. Like, I'm I'm so happy. See, as a YouTuber, this gift. Oh, guys, see. Thank you, Stariza. God bless you. So you are, you're not coming to cook proper food, though. I'm so happy. Thank you so much if you watch this. Yeah, man, this is heavy, man. This is heavy. Stariza, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.